Welcome to all. Today I am going to continue chapter number 1, place value. In this we will learn ordering numbers. What is ordering numbers? In this one we will learn descending order and ascending order. See, descending order, it means we have to arrange number in descending orders. It means greatest to smallest. See the example here, 7,756. Next is 8,586. Then 7,824. Then 7,672. So here already we have seen the greatest number is 8,000. So we will write first 8,586. Next, in this one, 7,000 and 7,000 and 7,000. 3 times are there. So after this we will see 100 place. 100 place. So the 100 place, it means 8,024 is greater. So we will write 7,824. Next, again the same thing we will do it here. In this one we will see 100 and 100 place. So 100 place means 7,756 is greater than 7,672. So we have to arrange like 8,586, 7,824, 7,756, and the last is 7,672. Next, second topic is ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. So we have to arrange number in smallest to greatest. See the example, that is 3,295, 7,659, 3,265 and 8,654. So here we have to arrange in smallest to greatest. So the smallest number is 3,000. Again the same thing here, 3,000s are same in both. In 3,000, 295 and 3,265. So we have to see the smallest one. Smallest number is 265. So we will write like this, 3,265, 3,295, then 7,659 will come, and the last is 8,654 will come. So these are the orders. So first one is descending orders, it means decreasing order, and the second is ascending orders, it means increasing order. So smallest to greatest and greatest to smallest. We are going to start exercise 1D. See, in this question we have to arrange in decreasing or descending order. Decreasing or descending order means greatest to smallest. Okay, see, greatest number is, here is 2,841, here is 6,918, and here is 6,918. Next is 2,841, 325. Clear? 4,395, 4,593, then 3,935. See, here is 4,000, here is 4,000. Then see the next number. Next number is 3 and next number is 5. It means the greatest number is this one. So 4,593, then 4,395, and the last is 3,935. These two questions we have solved. Rest questions do it in your notebook. Question number 2. Rewrite in increasing or ascending order. Increasing or ascending order means smallest to greatest. Okay, in this one 2090, 384 and 1873. Smallest number is 384. Then after 3 we will write 1873 and then we will write 2090. Next question. In this one 3000 and 3000 same. So here we will see the 100 place value. 100 place value is one is 9 and one is 6. We have to write the smallest one. Smallest one is 3619, then 3983, then 4893. Rest questions do it in your notebook. Next topic, building numbers. Building numbers means, see the example. India got its freedom in the year 1947. The digits in this number are 1, 9, 4 and 7. Okay. See, here we will write greatest number. So, greatest number means these digits we have to arrange in greatest number. How? 1, 9, 4, 7. We have to arrange in greatest number. Means descending order. It means biggest to smallest. See, biggest number is 9, then 7, then 4 and the last is 1. Arranged? See, one more example is given here. The same thing we will do in this example. Smallest number. Same digits we will use 1, 9, 4, 7. We have to make smallest number possible now. Smallest number in this one 1, then 4, next 7 and the last is 9. We will arrange like this 1, 4, 7, 9. This is known as ascending order. Smallest number means ascending order. It means smallest to biggest. One more example is given here, that is 5, 4, 7, 5. This also we have to arrange in smallest 4 digit number. See the answer 4, 5, 5, 7. We will do our exercise 1E. In this one we have to build the greatest and the smallest number. See, table is given here. First question, build the greatest and the smallest number. Here columns are given. In the first column written there digits, then greatest number, then smallest number. See, first question 6, 3 and 4. We have to arrange in greatest number. Greatest number here is 6. So we will write as 6, 4, 3. Smallest is opposite of greatest one, 346. Next question, it is 089. We will write as the greatest number 980, but we will not write 089. We will write as 809. Why? If we write 089, so we are having only 2 digits number, not 3 digits number. That we are writing 809. Question number D, 0697. How we will write in greatest number? 9760. Same thing we will do. Its smallest number is 0, but we start from 6. So 6 0 7 9, not 0 6 7 9. Match the following. We know that greatest one digit number is 9. Greatest two digit number is 99. Greatest three digit number is 999, and greatest four digit number is 9999. Next, 1000. 1000 means smallest one digit number is 1, smallest two digit number is 10, smallest three digit number is 100, and smallest four digit number is 1000. It means 1000 is the smallest four digit number. Next, 9876. In this one, see, other two options are the smallest four digit number using different digits. So, different digit means smallest number is this one only, and the greatest one is this one. Clear? Question number 3. Take the last four digits of your parents' mobile number. See, my parents' mobile number is 9926486571. Clear? In this one, the first question is I have to take last four digit number. Last four digit number are 6571. So I will write here 6571. Then I have to arrange in greatest form. Greatest form is 7651. Clear? Then I have to arrange in smallest number. Smallest number is 1567. Clear? Going to start rounding numbers. See, rounding to the nearest 10. How we will do? In this one, we will use as a number line. Number line means it is same as your scale, which we are using for draw a line. See, in this one, few things are marked on the scale like 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So our question is 33 is between. So first we have to see is between means that 33 will come in which two tens. So 33 will come in 30 and 40. But we have to find it is closer to which number? 30 as well as 40. So 33 will be near or closer to 30. Next, 48. 48 is between which number? 40 and 50. Clear? But closer to 50. See? Next, 55. 55 is exactly midway. Midway means the middle value. So 55 is coming 50 and 60. But round to 60. Clear? In this one, few rules are here. If the ones digit is 4 or less, round to the smaller 10. It means it will go to the left side. Next, if the ones digit is 5 or more, then round to the bigger 10. It means it will go to your right side. See, one more way to find. Here is another way to look at it. This one is this folded number line looks like mountain peak and valleys. The mountain peaks shows the number that is halfway between the tens. Here, see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the numbers and the mountain means halfway of these numbers. Clear? Like 0 and 10. The middle or the midway is 5. 10, 20. The midway is 15. 20 and 30. The midway is 25. These are the midways of the given numbers. First one, a ball on 13 will roll to 10. See, 13 is coming rounded to 10. Why? Because it is closer to 10. 13 will be between in 10 and 20. So the midway is 15. It is less than that. It means it will go to the first one, that is 10. Next, a ball on 36 will roll to 40. Now, see 36. 36 means it is in between 30 and 40. So, midway is 35. It means it is more than 35. So, it is closer or rounded to 40. After this, we will do exercise 1F. In this one, fill in the blanks with tens. 72 is between. 72 the first. 72 is between dash and dash. 72. It means 70 and 80. Whatever we are speaking, that first number will come the same. Clear? 70 and 80. 59 is between. 59. It means 50 and 60. Next, 38 is between 30 and 40. Question number 2. Round to the nearest 10. 55, it is nearest or it is closer to 50 and 60. See, 50 and 60. But 55 is the midway. So, midway will go to the next number. So, our answer is 60. 79 means, see the number line. 79. 79 means 70 and 80. See, 70 and 80. Midway is 75. But what is your question? Your question is 79. It means it is closer to 80. Got it? Remaining questions, do it yourself. 3. Solve. Give your answer in the form of a sentence. We have to write answers in a sentence. Rohit wants to distribute sweets for his birthday to all the 43 children in his class. Should he round the number to the smaller or greater 10 while buying the sweets? Now, yes, he should. So, Rohit should round up the number while buying the sweets. 26 children were invited for Rohit's birthday party. Birthday hats come in packs of 10. How many packets should Rohit buy? In this one, same thing, we have to do the round off. So, Rohit should buy 3 packets of hats. Next, look at the folded number line on page 22. At which all numbers can you place the ball so that it always rolls to 30? Okay, see, where is 30? 30 is here. It means till 25. All the numbers we will write, and before 35 all the numbers we will write. So our answer is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 31, 32, 33, 34. Then the last question, write 5 numbers in their 50s which will round to 60. Okay, it means we have to write the 50s line number, that is rounded to 60. So 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. These are the 5 numbers which will round to 60. Next, write 4 numbers in their 80s which will round to 80. It means now we have to write the line 80s. So here 81, 82, 83, 84. In this, one more thing we will learn, even number and odd number. What is even and what is odd? See, the numbers that can be put into pairs are even numbers, and the numbers that cannot be put into pairs are odd number. See the example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. These are the odd numbers, and even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So what we have noticed here, we notice all the numbers that have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in the ones place at even number, like 72, 346, 7908 are all even numbers, and all the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are odd numbers. Examples 31, 427, 6029 are the odd numbers. After completing this chapter, let's see recap. In this, we have learned ordering numbers, building numbers, rounding numbers, even and odd numbers. Now, for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Thank you. Goodbye.